And now, preview time.
Do you remember yesterday? Was it yesterday? Let's have a look. Let's have a quick look. Thanks for coming. Right, videos. Where is it? Here we go. DJ audits, yeah. This is just to show you how they're all under the same control, yeah. DJ audits and his new Zoom agenda. Zoom. Camera zoomage. Zooming in on details and shit. Right? And this is Charles Veach in the Manchester area. Veach, whatever. Charlie boy.
Nothing. There is no law to say you can't.
Okay.
But the reason...
Because I'm a filmmaker. It's interesting for me.
Look, I've got no problem with you filming, but I also watched... I was stood behind you while you were filming, and I watched you zooming in on all the different armed officers in there.
That's right.
So that's why I'm stopping you under the Prevention of Terrorism Act.
Oh dear, oh dear. Do you need any more proof that I'm onto it? In a bit.
I was stood behind you while you were filming and I watched you zooming in on all the different armed officers in there.
That's right.
So